everyone, welcome to Science Click. Today we are going to discuss about how do we convert the temperature from one unit to another. But before going on this one topic, first of all we will discuss about temperature. Okay, what is the temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness of an object. Clear? Degree of hotness of an object. For example, if I say my body is 20-degree hot in term of Celsius, so it is my temperature. Okay, how we can measure the temperature? We can measure the temperature by the thermometer, not sense of touch, because we are unable to tell an object is how much hot. Clear? By the sense of touch. But by the thermometer we can tell how much object is hot by the thermometer. What is the thermometer? Thermometer. What is the thermometer? This is the question. So what will be the answer? A device which is used to measure the temperature of an object, any object. A device which is able to measure the temperature of an object, this is called thermometer. What is this device? We call the thermometer. Okay, have you ever suffer from fever? Immediately you go to the doctor, and before prescribe the medicine, doctor check your body temperature by putting your mouth a device. What is this device? This is the thermometer, and by this device doctor check out how much your body hot. Clear? But you know that on the thermometer have the different scales like Fahrenheit scale, degree Celsius scale, Kelvin scale. These different scales may be on the thermometer. So today we will learn how do we convert this scale of the temperature to another scale of the temperature. Clear? So let's go how we can convert these different temperatures. Okay student, how do we convert temperature from one unit to another? For conversion of the temperature we need a relation, this one relation between the degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. This is the relation between them, and this relation help us to convert the temperature. Clear? So by the examples I will explain you how we can change the temperatures from one unit to another. Clear? So let's start how we can convert the temperatures. First question. Convert 290 Kelvin to the Celsius scale. How we can convert the 293 Kelvin to the Celsius scale? What will be the temperature in the Celsius scale? This is 293 Kelvin. It means 293 Kelvin, what will be in the Celsius scale? So for this one we need a formula, and from this relation we can make the formula. How? We have given which scale of the temperature, which type of temperature? Kelvin temperature. So take out this one, K minus 273 divided by 100, and this is equal to, and we find out the degree Celsius scale. So take out this one part, degree Celsius divided by, this is the formula to convert the Kelvin to the Celsius. So by this way we can make the formula. Now we can change the temperature 293 Kelvin to the Celsius degree. How? Only put the value given in place of the K. K is given in the question. So 293 minus 273 divided by 100 is equal to degree Celsius we have to find out. So keep this one as it is and 100, and this side 100, and on this side also have the 100, and they will be the cancel out. So what will be the equation now? The next 293 minus 273 is equal to degree Celsius. This equation we have obtained. Okay, now calculate this one. Do the minus 293 minus 273. What will be the answer? 20. So degree Celsius, how much is it? Minus the 273 in 293. What will be the answer? 20 degree. So this is the 20 degree Celsius. We have converted the 293 Kelvin temperature in degree Celsius. So this temperature will show in Celsius scale is 20 degrees Celsius. Clear? We will understand the next type of question. Okay student, convert 212 degree Fahrenheit to the Celsius scale. What will be the temperature in the Celsius scale? Clear? So by the formula we can change this Fahrenheit degree temperature in the Celsius scale. How we can write? Okay, which type of temperature we have given? Degree Fahrenheit. So we need a degree Fahrenheit part from this one relation. So take this one part, degree Fahrenheit 32 minus 32 divide by 180 and equal. Which type of scale temperature we have find out? We have to find out Celsius degree. So take out this one part because we have to find out degree Celsius. That's why we have taken this one part and make the equal to them, and this is the formula to find out for this one question. So now given values put in the formula. We have given the degree Fahrenheit temperature. So in place of the degree Fahrenheit, you put this one value in place of this one. So degree Fahrenheit, we put the value 212 minus 32 divided by 180 is equal to degree Celsius. Keep this one as it is because we have to find out degree Celsius, and divide by 100. Now see, here is the 180 and here is the 100. So 0 will be the cancel out, and by which table these two numbers will be divided? I think so, two table divide this number. 2 9s are 18 and 2 5s are 10. Clear? Okay, now 212 minus the 32 in 212, what will be the answer? 180. It will be the 180. So calculate this one, minus the this is, and it will be the 180. When we calculate this one, when we solve this one equation, and the answer will be the 180. Now here is the 9 remain, and equal degree Celsius divided by 5. Clear? Now listen, 180, keep this one, and 9, and this one number bring this side, and we bring the this one number to here, and we can write, and divide number when go to the other side, it make the multiply to 180 and divide by the 9, and we have to find out the degree Celsius. That's why the degree Celsius keep the one side. Okay, now calculate this one numbers. 9 1 ja 1, 9 2 ja 18, clear, and 0, and this is the calculation. And multiply the 20 by the 5. Okay, 25 is how much? 100, and this is the answer, 100 degree Celsius. So in Fahrenheit degree, 212 will show in the Celsius what? 100 degree Celsius. Clear? By this way we can change the Fahrenheit degree to the Celsius scale. So this is the another type of scale we can change by this way. Convert the 25 degree Celsius to the Kelvin scale. So we have to convert the degree Celsius to the Kelvin. How we can change? So which type of scale we have given? Scale temperature degree Celsius. So we have to take out from this one, this part, degree Celsius. Degree Celsius divided by 100. And which type of scale we have to find out? Kelvin. So we have to need this one part to calculate. So make the equal to the degree Celsius. K 273 divided by 100. This is the formula for this one question. Clear? And put the values in this formula. Okay, we have given degree Celsius value. So put the degree Celsius in place of degree. Okay, what will be the degree Celsius value given? 25 degree. So put the 25 and divide by the 100, and K we have to find out. So keep this one as it is and minus that 273 divide by 100. Now you will see there is a equal number. So these numbers will be cancelled out, and now the equation we have obtained this one. 25 equal K minus 273. When we bring this one number to the other side, so what will be the equation? 25, this is the minus digit, so sorry, this is the minus number, this is the minus value, and when go to the other side it makes the positive. So this is the positive plus 273 minus equal to the K. What is the K? This is the Kelvin, and this one Kelvin we have to find out. Okay, add this one values. What will be the answer? And 5 and 3 8, 7 and 2 9, and 2 298 will be the answer. 298 Kelvin temperature will be in term of this one. So 25 degrees Celsius in term of Kelvin will be the 298 Kelvin temperature. Clear? So this 1 degree Celsius will be shown in Kelvin, 298 Kelvin. Clear? Okay, this is the another type of question by which we can change this 1 degree Celsius to the Kelvin Celsius. So we will show the next type of question. This is the another type of question, and in this question 32 degree Fahrenheit given the temperature, and we have to change this Fahrenheit degree temperature to the Kelvin scale. How we can change this one temperature to the Kelvin scale? We need a formula, and we have to find out this one formula from this one relation. So we have given the degree scale, so take out the degree scale part. So this one part we have to need degree Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 180 equal what scale we have to find out? Kelvin scale. So take out the Kelvin part. K minus 273 divided by 100. Now put the given values in place of Fahrenheit, because Fahrenheit degree we have given. So in place of Fahrenheit we have to place this one value in place of this one. 32 minus 32 divided by 180 is equal to K we have to be find out. So keep this one as it is, and minus 273 divided by 100. Now see, minus the 32 minus 32, what will be the answer? 0. And when we divide the 180 in the 0, will be the answer 0. So 0 divided by 180 and K minus 273 divided by 100. Okay, what will be the answer? When we calculate, when we divide the any digit to the 0, the answer will be the 0. Clear? So when we calculate this one values, answer will be the 0. Okay, now 100, when we bring this one value to this side, it multiply by the 0. 180 and this value remain, K minus 273. Okay, multiply this one value, what will be the answer? When we multiply the any digit to the 0, then the answer will be the 0. So this is the 0, and now K minus 273. Clear? Okay, bring this value to this one side, so this minus value will be made in positive. So 273 equal to K. So 32 degree Fahrenheit will be shown in Kelvin scale. What temperature? 273 Kelvin will be shown by the Kelvin scale thermometer. If we use the degree Fahrenheit thermometer, this 273 Kelvin will show in Fahrenheit what? 32, and in Kelvin scale thermometer show the 273, this one temperature, 273 value reading. Clear? So by this way we can change the degree Fahrenheit to the Kelvin scale, and we can use this one formula. Next type of question we will see. Now the question is, convert the 50 degrees Celsius to the Fahrenheit scale. Now the turn is Fahrenheit degree Celsius. Okay, how we can change the degree Celsius to the Fahrenheit scale? Degree Celsius to the Fahrenheit scale. So degree scale given and Fahrenheit asked. So we have to need degree part and Fahrenheit part. So take this one part and make the formula. Degree Celsius divide by 100, and we need to find out Fahrenheit scale, so we need this one part. Degree Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 180. This is the formula to calculate this one temperature. Now put the values. 50 degrees Celsius given, so in place of degree Celsius you have to put in place of degree Celsius what? 50 divide by 100 is equal to Fahrenheit. We have to calculate, so keep this one as it is, and minus 32 divided by 180. Calculate this one equation. How? 50 1 ja 50 and 52 ja. Clear? And 180, bring this one value this one side and multiply it. So what will be the equation? 1 divided by 2 is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 180. This is the equation, and calculate this one and bring this value to this side, and it will be the multiply by the 1 divided by 2 multiply by 180, because in that side 180 is in divide. So when we bring this one value to this one side, it multiply by this one value. So 180 will be multiplied by the 1 divided by 2 and keep this one degree Fahrenheit minus 32. This is the equation. And now calculate this one. 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are 18. So and 90 90. So 90 multiply 1, what will be 90? 90 is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32. Bring this minus value this one side, it makes the positive. So 90 and minus value will becomes the positive plus 32 and is equal to degree Fahrenheit. Calculate this one. 0 and 2 2, 9 and 3, what will be the answer? 12. So this is the Fahrenheit value. 122 degree Fahrenheit will be so. ठीक है, so 50 degree Celsius will be so in Fahrenheit degree. What? 122 degree Fahrenheit. This is the question by which we can change the degree Celsius to the Fahrenheit scale. Clear? Understood? Now the last question, last type of question we will see. Okay, convert 373 Kelvin temperature to the Fahrenheit scale. So what will be the 373 Kelvin will show in Fahrenheit scale? Clear? How we can change this one temperature to the another unit? By this one relation. And what part we have required? We have given the Kelvin, so we have to need this one part. So take this one, K minus 273 divided by 100 and make the equal to which, because we have to find out the Fahrenheit scale. So we have to need this one part because there is a Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 180. So this is the formula to calculate this type of question. Okay, now we have to put the value given. What value given? 373 Kelvin. Put this one value in place of Kelvin. 373 minus 273 divided by 100 is equal to Fahrenheit degree we have to find out. So keep this one as it is. Now see carefully, calculate, subtract this one value. What will be the value comes? 373 minus 273. Okay, 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, 7 minus 7, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. Divide by 100 is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 divide by 180. Okay, now listen. 0 to 0 cancel out. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. Clear? Okay, now this one 5 divide by the 100. What will be the calculation? What will be the answer? Okay, 5 2s are 10 and 0 as it is. So 20 will be the come. So this one calculation, when we calculate this one and 20 will comes, and this one 9 remain the 9, and this one 9 value bring this other side and it multiply by the 20 and keep this one as it is, degree Fahrenheit minus 32. Okay, this one calculation understood? How? 0 when we divide by the 2 table, so it comes 5 and 9, and 5 divide in the 100, so what value comes? 20. divide by the 20 times 100, okay, and 9 and 20. When the 9 value comes to this one side and it multiply by the 20 multiply 9 and this value as it is keep. Clear? Now calculate this one relation. 20 multiply 9, okay, 9 multiply 0 0, 9 multiply 2, 9 2 ja 18, so 180 is come. Degree Fahrenheit 30. Clear? When minus 32 value, when we bring this one side, it makes the positive. Okay, 180 plus 32 is equal to degree Fahrenheit. Okay, what will be the answer? 2 3 sorry 8 and 3, what will be the answer? 11, and remain the carry 1, and 1 plus 1 2. ठीक है, when we add this one value 212 value will comes. So this is the degree Fahrenheit temperature. Okay, so 373 Kelvin temperature will show in Fahrenheit scale what? 212 degree Fahrenheit. Clear? I hope by this way we can change different types of scales of temperature to the another scales of temperature. Clear? I will explain you one special type of question. This is the special type of question. How we can solve this one type of question? What is the question? Calculate the temperature. You have to calculate the temperature at which both Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. Which type of scale? Celsius and Fahrenheit scale show the same reading. So you have to calculate this type of temperature. We can say that when degree Celsius equal show the same reading by the degree Fahrenheit. This is the main clue of this one question. When the degree Celsius show the same reading by the degree Fahrenheit, so relation between the degree Celsius and Fahrenheit, what will be the relation? We can find out this one relation by this way, but by the 0 is cancelled out, and then by the 2 table we can divide. 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. Okay, now degree Celsius multiply this one value. When we bring this side, it multiply by the degree Celsius, so divide by 5. Clear? And degree Fahrenheit minus 32, and minus 32 when we bring this one side, it makes the plus. So degree Celsius multiply, we can write this one also by this way. 9 divided by 5 degree Celsius plus 32 is equal to degree Fahrenheit. So this relation comes. Okay, okay. Now this one value we can put in place of degree Fahrenheit. So what will be the answer? Degree Fahrenheit, because these have the equal, these show the equal reading now. So we can put this one value in place of degree Fahrenheit. So what will be the 9 divided by 5 degree Celsius plus 32. This is the, now this one equation we have obtained. We have to calculate 9 divided by 5 degree Celsius. We have to bring this one side, so degree Celsius, and this is the positive value, and when we bring this one side, it makes the negative. 9 divided by 5 degree Celsius and equal to 32. Now we have to take the LCM. 5 and this one 5 and minus, what will be the answer? 9. Common we have taken degree Celsius, 32. Okay, calculate this one. Okay, minus 95, calculate this one, minus divide by minus 955, and it comes minus 4 divide by 5 degree Celsius is equal to 32. Now we have to calculate the degree Celsius. What will be the value in the degree Celsius? Will show the same reading. ठीक है? Okay, now degree Celsius, when this one value goes this one side, it's reverse. 32 multiply 5, reverse by the, okay, we have to reverse when we bring this one value to the other side, divide value, okay, rational value. Okay, cut out this one. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 8 ja 32. So degree Celsius, 8 5 ja 40, and there is a minus value now. There is a minus value, so minus 40. So minus 40 degree will be shown on Celsius scale 40 degree. So it means we can say that 40 degree, this is the temperature at which the degree Celsius and Fahrenheit scale show the same reading, minus 40 degree. Clear? Now we are going to end this one session.